Hey guys, welcome back to Summer Rainy Vlogs. I'm Summer, and if you are new here, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can stay updated on all my future videos. And don't forget to get in that comment section and let me know how you guys are feeling. So because I want to start vlogging consistently, I thought I'd get on here and do an introduction vlog, letting you guys formally know who I am and what this channel is about. I go by Summer because I was born on the first day of summer, and my last name is Rainey thanks to this guy right over here. That's my husband Deshaun, and that's our 1.5-year-old daughter, Seven. Oh yeah, she's a tired, happy baby. We have a family channel. I'll make sure to link it down below. You guys most definitely will want to get over there and check out our content. We are doing Vlogmas this year. So look, there goes our tree too. So yeah, guys, you definitely want to go over there and check that out. So when I first started vlogging, I didn't intend for this channel to be just a sewing vlog. In fact, I have so many things I want to do on this platform. It's hard to just label this channel down to just one thing. So in this vlog moving forward, you will see me as a mom, a wife, a business owner running my boutique Summer 21st. I'll link that down below. You'll see me as a creator, whether that's singing or sewing. I will also be incorporating DIYs, tutorials, mommy and me videos, shopping hauls, and a lot of self-love challenges, so make sure you guys stick around for that. I also have a website that goes along with my vlog. It's summerrainyvlogs.com. Basically, anything that I make or do on this channel, it will be on my website, whether it's to sell or just to show you guys more in detail on whatever that thing is. So that's pretty much it, guys. Again, welcome to my world. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys like and subscribe, and if you guys have any suggestions on anything you want to see me do on this channel, make sure you put that down below. I will also link my social medias down below so you guys can keep up with me between my vlogs. So that's about it. I love you. I love you. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.